Hello, in this video we're going to take a look at how to download the IntelliJ IDEA. So what you're going to do is go to a search bar. I'm using Firefox and I'm using Google as my search engine. So I'm going to type in IntelliJ and it should show up as the first result typically, and it's www.jetbrains.com/IDEA. Click on that link, and whether you're using Windows or Mac, it should automatically detect what system you have. So I'm going to go ahead and click download. Once there, we're going to download the Community Edition. So go ahead and click download for that. And should give you a pop-up, and you're going to save the file. Now, everything I'm showing you again is on a Windows PC using Firefox, and if you're using a Mac, you will probably end up with slightly different windows. So I'll post some instructions for Macs in a separate video. All right, go ahead and click the save. And after it's downloaded, you can either go to your downloads folder, or in the case of Firefox, go to the little downloads bar right here. Once it's finished downloading, I can go ahead and click on it. It's finished downloading, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the file. And wait for it to open up. Now that it's gotten started, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to choose the default location. Notice this thing is huge. It uses a whole gigabyte of data. So no worries. Just check how much space you've got, and let's go ahead and click next. I'm going to go ahead and create a desktop shortcut because I like to access my IDEAs when I'm programming from the desktop. I'm going to go ahead and update the context menu, and I want to create associations for Java, Groovy, and Kotlin. Now, we're not using Groovy or Kotlin inside this course. However, Kotlin is a great programming language, especially if you want to get into Android development. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Launchers Directory to Path as well, because that is going to help us be able to run some programs a little bit more smoothly in the future. I'm going to go ahead and click the default location, default name, and install it. I've already paused the video for probably 10-15 seconds, and it's taking quite a while. So we're going to resume the video when it's done. Just let it install, and when you're ready, you can go ahead and finish it up by watching the rest of the video. To finish the installation, I'm being prompted to reboot now or reboot later. I'm going to go ahead and click I want to manually reboot later, and we will continue the video just as soon as that is done. So I've rebooted the computer and I have the desktop link right here. So I'm going to open up that link or that file and let it load up. Now I did this a little bit earlier and I did click the button that I did not want to import any of the settings because I have no other settings to import. Go ahead and confirm to the user agreement. Not send usage statistics, that's up to you. And then we need to wait for it to load up. And we can see that we're now ready to go ahead and create a new project. So we're going to do this in a new video. If you made it this far, then you do have a working IntelliJ IDEA on your computer, which is fantastic. If you need some help, please feel free to reach out to me and let me know what help you need. And look forward to catching up with you in the next video.